Hello everyone, good morning. This is Geeta Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from K.C.S. Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today, I would like to talk with you about the e-money, that is electronic money. So what is e-money? Electronic money is broadly defined as an electronic store of monetary value on the technical device that may be widely used for making payments to entities other than the e-money issuer. The device acts as a prepaid barrier instrument which does not necessarily involve money accounts and transactions. This is what the definition of e-money. What are the category of e-money? E-money is an electronic medium for making payments like credit cards, smart cards, debit cards, electronic funds transfer. Then identified e-money, that is digital cash, is a notational money system that generates an audit trail and can be traced. Anonymous e-money is a notational money system that cannot be traced. Then types of e-money: identified and online, identified and offline, anonymous and online, anonymous and offline. So these are some of the categories of e-money. So the e-cash, in a broad sense, everything digitalized that has the functions of money. It is a narrow sense virtual money allowing real-time payment over the internet. That is, you are paying in the internet. So two type of e-cash is there: network type and smart card type. Network type means supporting the electronic payment system using the value that is transmitted and stored to the PC from cyberbank. Smart card type means plastic cards embedding chips which involve the value and users information. Even if you go for any playing games, they will be giving you the cards for inserting electronic card into that machines. From there, I hope you can understand what is e-cash and what is e-money. Shall we see what are the advantages of e-money? Yes, first, time saving, expenses control, reduced risk of loss or theft, low commissions, then user friendly, convenience and increased profitability. So when you are using e-money, first you are saving the time and then the expenses you can control. Okay, you cannot, just like that, you cannot use the money. And then there is some more advantages is also there. What it is? It is faster transaction. Payments using electronic money are indeed faster than use cash. As example, when you want to pay for a train ticket, you can directly tap it on an available machine, then go to the platform and wait for your train to come. No need to long queue at the counter, put out money or waiting for the change. And then it is global transaction also. For those who love online shopping, e-money also can be useful because it can be used as a payment on any e-commerce sites, including overseas. It is because e-money applies globally. In online transactions, e-money has the same functions with credit card. You can only have to enter your card number and the payment is done. So very easy to use the e-money. Now we will see about the disadvantages of the e-money. It is restrictions is there, and then risk of being hacked and lack of anonymity and then necessary of internet access. That is, without the internet, you cannot use the e-money. And then there is a lot of risk is there. Your account may be hacked. And then there is some more disadvantages is also there. That is, like left balance cannot turn into cash. Although transaction using electronic money card is very easy, not all payments can be made using electronic money. When you want to pay for something cash, or you are top up your balance too much, the balance that has been transferred cannot be cashed or turned into cash. Unless your electronic money card is lost or damaged, you can report it to the bank concerned and the remaining balance can be cashed. And then low security is there. What it is? E-money can change hands easily. No need to entering password or something. Everyone can use it without any permission. When your card is lost, the people who find your card can directly use it. That is the consequences behind its convenience which incriminating. All you have to do as the owner is keep it very well. So these are some of the disadvantages of e-money. Thank you very much for my valuable listeners. We will see on the next presentation. Thank you once again.